Alright, Brooklyn, it's been real. Weather has been amazing. Vibes has been amazing. Now we're going to be driving back to the Bean. So sad. Anyway, going to pick up August from Grandma's house, then grab breakfast, then hit the road. Nothing to it. Alright, so we are currently in Daisy's Diner in Park Slope. If you recall, we were here last year around Thanksgiving time. So this might be a little tradition every time we hit New York. Right, buddy? Ooh. Quick little note. Melissa, you are my superhero, okay? Yeah, let's not do that. Melissa, you are my superhero. Like what I saw last night at the House of Yes, every person, every human being should witness at least just once. That was just an amazing performance by my homegirl Melissa. Go check her out at the House of Yes. You like what I did there?
What did you just say?
I said nobody says the Friends episodes are too long. They just sit there and watch them, right?
So are you saying that the Caesar life is just as good as Friends?
Better. Alright, it's a lot better than Friends. Alright, ooh, look at that over there. Alright, so we stopped here at Taco Bell because there's another family tradition, right? This is the second time we stopped at this location since heading back from New York, right? So last time we was heading back from New York, stopped right here, just sat.
Changed them in that same bathroom?
Changed them in the same bathroom, right? So I think we should put this on the map, like on the way home. Just put it on the map and then just come straight here and then yeah, because it's halfway point, right?
What do you want?
Oh, we wrapping up here at Taco Bell, and like straight from here we're gonna take Gus to a Montessori play group because this kid, we need all the help we can get. So I don't know too much about this Montessori play group, but it's a way to reform him, get him more organized and more structured, especially at home. So yeah, looking forward to that. We got that for 2 hours today. So pretty much non-stop action today. On the road straight to Montessori, then dropping Lil Mama off to Berkeley campus, and then I have Gus for tonight, like putting him to bed. So man, I'm gonna be tired. It's gonna be a long, long day. All right, so we are back at the crib. Another active, very active Sunday. Man, the day started at like 8 a.m. and it was non-stop until we got home. So I'm not wasting any time. Dinner is already done. Kids going to bed. I'm just hopping on the computer and bang out an hour worth of work. 7:19 now, hopefully done by like 8:30, and then you know, got a big week this week, so gotta get my mindset right. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off here. Thank you guys for watching. Yo, I'm on to some big things, and one of those big things is creating an awesome product just for you. The product is out now. All right, it's in the link in the description, so hit that up. And yeah, we got a community within the ebook, so join the tribe, and we will help you reach all of your fitness goals. All right. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Holla at your guala.